Married people, one more time. A round of applause. Married folks. How many we got? Yeah? Who do you think, how long you been married, sir? I don't mean to get you in trouble right during a show. 16. She believes. He believes 16. So that's good. And do you still wear your ring?
No.
Yeah, because the men's ring is a piece of crap. Like the men's wedding ring's like the money that's left over from the wedding, right? It's like a wire off a notebook. They don't care about you guys at all. Men's wedding ring reminds those things they put on rare birds and those wildlife TV shows. You ever see that? Put that copper band around the bird's talon, little serial number on it. They decide to shoot you down with a tranquilizer, see you in the right part of the country, and throw you back. It's purely for tracking purposes. All right, the crew is officially laughing louder than you guys now, so you gotta pick it up a little bit. Where have you been, Jamie? Where's the applause? You're just laughing too much. I know, but for TV they have to hear things. But that's all right. We're having fun. But the women get the nice ring, right? Whenever women see a really expensive engagement ring on another woman, they always say, "Oh, look how much he loves her." I'm a single guy. Whenever I see a real expensive engagement ring on a woman, I just see a man's shattered dreams, you know? Just see all the stuff he could have bought instead. There's the football season tickets. That bar you're gonna build in your basement. No jet skis for you. Have fun staring at her finger for the next 50 years.